Hello everyone, welcome to Just English Time. Today, let's learn supermarket vocabulary words with fun and easy explanations. Let's get started. At the supermarket. The supermarket is a place where we buy food and other things for our home. Entering the supermarket. When we enter the supermarket, we see the shopping cart. A shopping cart is used to carry our items as we shop around. Cart, cart. It is used to carry our items as we shop around. Aisles and sections. In the supermarket, there are many aisles. Aisle, aisle. It is a path between the shelves where we can find different products. Shelves, shelves are the racks or stands used to display products for customers. We also have different sections in the supermarket like fruits, vegetables, and dairy products. Sections, sections refer to the different areas where specific types of products are grouped together. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables. The area contains fresh fruits and vegetables. Bakery. Bakery. The area where freshly baked and pre-packed baked goods are sold. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. The area where medicines, health products, and personal care items are sold. Baby products. Baby products, where essential items for babies and toddlers are sold. Pet food. Pet food, where you can buy food for your pets. Products and labels. On the shelves, we find different products. Products. Products are the items that are sold at the supermarket, like milk, bread, or snacks. Each product has a label. Label. It shows information like the product name, ingredients, and price. Expiration date. Expiration date. To show when it is no longer safe to eat. Sometimes the product also has an expiration date to show when it's no longer safe to eat. Price tag. Price tag. To know how much it costs. Look for the price tag on products to know how much it costs. Shopping items. We buy groceries at the supermarket. Groceries. Groceries are the food and other items we need for our home. Frozen food. Frozen food has freezers to keep items fresh and preserved for a long time. You might also see frozen foods like ice cream, pizza, or frozen vegetables in the freezer section. Checkout and payment. After shopping, we go to the checkout counter. Checkout counter. Checkout counter is where we pay for our groceries. Cashier. Cashier is the person responsible for handling customer transactions at the counter. The cashier will scan the items using a scanner to check the price. Receipt. Receipt. It shows the list of everything you bought and how much you paid. At the checkout, you will receive a receipt. The receipt shows the list of everything you bought and how much you paid. Coupon. Coupon. It is a special discount you can use to get money off your next purchase. Some stores give coupons. Shopping bags. Shopping bags are used to carry your groceries home. After paying, you can place your items in shopping bags. Pay. Pay. The process of completing a purchase by giving money. You can pay with cash, a credit card, or a debit card at the counter. Credit card. Credit card. A payment method that allows you to pay using bank-issued card. Many people now use contactless payment methods where you can pay by tapping your card or phone. Special deals. Sometimes you'll see discounts or special offers. This means you can buy something for a cheaper price. Special offers. Special offers. You can buy something for a cheaper price. Sale. Sale. A temporary price reduction on selected products. Buy one, get one. Buy one, get one. It is a special promotion where a customer gets an extra item for free. Look out for buy one, get one free deals or discounts on your favorite products. Let's review. Cart, cart. Aisle, aisle. Shelves, shelves. Sections, sections. Fruits and vegetables, fruits and vegetables. Bakery, bakery. Pharmacy, pharmacy. Baby products, baby products. Pet food, pet food. Products, products. Label, label. Expiration date, expiration date. Price tag, price tag. Groceries, groceries. Frozen food, frozen food. Checkout counter, checkout counter. Cashier, cashier. Receipt, receipt. Coupon, coupon. Shopping bags, shopping bags. Pay, pay. Credit card, credit card. Special offers, special offers. Sale, sale. Buy one, get one. Buy one, get one. Great job, everyone! Now you know even more important words for the supermarket. Next time you go shopping, try using these words. See you in our next lesson on Just English Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!